India International Science Festival IISF, launched in 2015, is a celebration to promote science and technology and demonstrate how science could lead India towards a developed nation within a short span of time. The aim is to engage the public with science and celebrate the joy of science and show the ways how science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, to call it all together as STEM, provide us with the solutions to improve our lives. Department of Biotechnology, Department of Science and Technology, ICMR, and Ministry of Earth Sciences, in association with Vigyan Bharati Vibha, have created a unique platform of India International Science Festival, which intends to inspire curiosity and make learning more rewarding. This year, IISF begins on 22nd December 2020, the birthday of Srinivasa Ramanujan, the world renowned Indian mathematician, and ends on 25th December 2020, the birthday of former Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. This year, 2020 is a pandemic year. We are all striving hard to overcome it. I am sure we will overcome it very soon. Our scientists are working hard day in and day out. IISF 2020, being organized in virtual platform, will help in connecting to the science loving people from the remotest corner of the country in a single click, thereby increasing the digital footprint. I am happy to note that various ministries, departments, and autonomous institutes have joined Vigyan Bharati in this celebration of science. The Department of Biotechnology has been a major party in this form of celebration of science. I appreciate them for all their efforts in their sincere attachment with Vigyan Bharati in India International Science Festivals ever since 2015. This curtain raiser is hosted by Rajiv Gandhi Center for Biotechnology, RGCB, Thiruvananthapuram. RGCB has been a pioneer institute of the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. RGCB plays an integral role in research and discovery processes. RGCB, in addition to testing for infectious and non infectious diseases, has been at the forefront of COVID testing since the outbreak has started in India. I understand that RGCB has done over 1 lakh of COVID testing till now. RGCB is in the process of expansion, and their second campus at Thiruvananthapuram is getting ready. This second campus is envisaged in 3 phases, of which the phase 1 is ready for dedication to the nation now. This will be a unique knowledge center and hub for mid and high level innovation, founded on deep and advanced level technical platforms, multidisciplinary course that will seed growth and innovation. I am happy to understand that this research facility will be named as Shri Guruji Madhav Sadashiv Kolvalkar National Center for Complex Disease in Cancer and Viral Infection. This upcoming establishment will offer cutting edge technologies, therapies, and clinical trials for cancer vaccines, immune therapeutics, and in addition, therapies such as stem cell replacements, gene therapy, molecular tumor targeting, and imaging. The second campus will also offer to investors, entrepreneurs, biotech, and biopharma companies a state of the art research facility incorporating a unique test and proof platform, which will provide all preclinical, analytical, toxicological, and biological assays to validate a biotech or biological products, besides offering shared facilities and startup technological, and business development incubators. This will contribute to the development of biotechnology in the country for sure. Coming back to IISF 2020, I am more happy at this curtain raiser ceremony to declare to the whole world that the science in India will prosper. It will regain its glory that it enjoyed in ancient India. This year's IISF will have 41 events as compared to 28 during the previous year. These events are thoughtfully designed. The proposed theme for IISF 2020, Science for Self-Reliant India and Global Welfare, is very relevant in the present context when nation is looking towards science and technology for accelerating growth and for spearheading the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji on an Atmanirbhar Bharat, playing a bigger and more important role in the global economy. I look forward to you all to make the IISF 2020 a big success in achieving its objectives and look forward to huge participation from all sections of the society.